Want to keep your skin healthy and fresh? Well, you can have that in a jiffy. All you need are the right beauty products. This is why Cosmedica brings to you an amazing combo offer of 4 products together that will take care of your skin's health. Cosmedica Hyaluronic Acid Serum is rich in qualities that makes it perfect for your skin. It reduces fine lines and wrinkles, thus acting as an anti-aging substance in your skin. It is made from 100% natural and organic products, thus ensuring that the skin is not exposed to any harmful chemicals. It improves the texture of your skin with the hyaluronic acid serum formula. Makes your skin brighter and provides moisture balance with the intense moisturizing formula. You get smoother, softer, and much plumper skin with this organic serum. Cleansing is the first important step towards skin care. So, why Cosmedica Glycolic Facial Scrub Face Wash? Safe and gentle, it gently removes the dead cells and dirt for a refreshed look. Natural key ingredients: glycolic acid, museum, rosehip seed, jojoba, AHA complex blend, aloe and cucumber. All natural ingredients for the best effects. Glycolic acid, it helps to stimulate the natural renewal process of the skin. It gives a much more even-toned skin. Fine lines are also decreased, thus, it acts as an anti-aging technology. Completely organic, the ingredients used are completely organic, thus making them very important. Warranty: the products made in the USA completely relies on customer satisfaction. They are cruelty-free and paraben-free natural and organic hyaluronic acid serum 4 ounce, improve skin texture and brightness with intense moisture and balance. Hydrating facial moisturizer with 100% pure hyaluronic acid serum formula. Incredible skincare routine begins with a great face wash to help your other beauty products work more effectively. Add Cosmedica Skincare's ample 4 ounce size glycolic acid exfoliating cleanser to your routine and give your skin the freshness it deserves. The formula contains 2.5% glycolic acid jojoba beads, which help to alleviate clogged pores and slough away dead skin, dirt and oil buildup. Multi-active hydrating fragrance-free night cream formula is specifically designed to provide intense hydration and regenerate skin surface cells, reduce puffiness and dark circles. Our Total Restorative Eye Cream helps reduce puffiness, dark circles, crow's feet, eye bags, fine lines, and sagginess under and around the eyes. Risk-free money-back guarantee. If you are not completely satisfied, simply contact us and we will give you a full refund, no questions asked. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.